In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do keyword research in Semrush. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to understand the results so you can build a focused, data-backed keyword list. First, log into your Semrush account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and find the search icon. Click that, then choose Keyword Overview from the options. This is the quickest way to get a high-level snapshot of the keywords you care about. After you select it, give the page a moment to load. On the Keyword Overview page, you'll see a main search field. Type in the keywords you want to research. You can enter multiple keywords at once, up to 100. Just separate them with commas. This is great for comparing a few variations side by side. If you want more personalized data tied to a specific site, you can also enter a domain. Next, choose a country to make sure the numbers reflect the market you're targeting. And if you need to go even more granular, refine it by selecting a specific location. When everything looks good, click Search and wait for the page to load. Your overview will display a set of core metrics. You'll see keyword volume, which shows the average monthly searches, and keyword difficulty, which estimates how competitive it might be to rank. Global volume rolls up searches across regions, while intent helps you understand whether users are looking for information, comparing options, navigating to a brand, or ready to buy. The trend visualization highlights seasonality and momentum over time. You'll also find CPC, a paid search cost indicator, and competitive density, which reflects ad competition. The report may include PLS and ads data as labeled in the interface. Use these together to balance opportunity and effort. A healthy mix often includes terms with solid volume, reasonable difficulty, clear intent alignment, and when relevant, manageable CPC. Scroll down to explore keyword ideas. The variations section surfaces closely related phrases and synonyms that can expand your coverage. The questions section highlights real query formulations people use, which are ideal for headings, FAQs, and problem solution content. The strategy section helps you think about how these terms can work together to support broader goals. As you review, note which keywords fit your location targeting, prioritize those that match your audience's intent, and shortlist a combination of attainable wins and strategic targets. That's the full workflow. Open Keyword Overview. Enter up to 100 comma-separated keywords. Set your domain and location if needed. Click Search, and analyze the overview and ideas to shape your plan.